Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SBCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final, and name of this paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology. Some topics and points regarding this paper we have covered in our last videos, and in this video we will see difficulties regarding development of research methodology. This is uh, as political analysis is there, therefore we will have a look at what are the difficulties in the development of research methodology for our discipline. So let's start. There have been many difficulties and obstacles while political scientists try to develop research methodology or scientific methods for the better analysis of this discipline. These hindrances, obstacles, and difficulties pertain to the beliefs, values, nature of political scientists themselves, along with public opinion and drawbacks of other methods being used in several disciplines. So, there have been so many hindrances, obstacles, and difficulties, not only pertaining to the political science and as well as regarding other disciplines as well. But when we talk about political science, uh, such a discipline that is like a necessity for the security of the humanity. So we can see that here beliefs, values, nature of political scientists themselves, etc., are the main drawbacks for our discipline. And several Indian and foreign scholars have firm belief, or they determine that scientific research methodology is just a perception and can't be found or developed in real. Neither this discipline can be developed as a science. According to their belief, as far as social and political incidents and human nature itself is considered, they are intangible and complex themselves. It is not easy to understand them fully in their real meaning. This is the main difficulty being considered by many political scientists or Indian and foreign scholars, that the nature of our subject or the core element of our subject, that is human nature, it is so hard to understand, and it is so hard to predict on the basis of this nature, as it is complexity is there, and uh, therefore this is the main reason why it is so hard uh, to develop such research methodology for such kind of core element that is being studied in our subject. And next one is, it is not easy to understand them fully in their real meaning. For instance, it is not possible to describe the real reasons behind the independence of India in 1947. Each and every incident that takes place or that had taken place contains several causes behind that. Therefore, like natural sciences, political science cannot be termed as a science. Thoughts, values, traditions, feelings, beliefs, etc., are the uh, causes behind the incidents, and any subjective study can never reveal the truth. Such events and incidents can be understood partially, and researcher himself understands them in a subjective manner, where his beliefs, faith, thinking, views, perception affects the facts, incidents, etc. Therefore, fair and square analysis of the incident is never possible. Earlier, we have studied about the human nature. Here comes the values, traditions, beliefs, feelings of the researcher or the scholar or the political scientist himself. Uh, Whatever we think, whatever we believe, and what values we follow, and that decides what can be said, our outlook, or such a way of thinking, way of understanding to a thing, which is like in which is actually in objective manner, but we consider it as a subjective manner. And wherever a subjective manner is being presented, we cannot expect the conclusion to be far better than if it would have been considered as a objective manner. Thus, there have been a lot obstacles and difficulties regarding our discipline. When we try our subject to make more scientific and more research oriented, we will have to put our best efforts for the development of research methodology for our discipline, that is necessity to save the humanity. These are the difficulties regarding the development of research methodology. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.